In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how you can use ESPN Plus. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to be looking at how you can get your account set up on ESPN Plus, and then we're going to look at features and purpose of ESPN Plus. So alright, now let's get started on how we can use it. So obviously the first step is to sign up. Okay, so create an ESPN Plus account on the ESPN website or app. So if you have to download the app, then you'll have to install it on your preferred device, for example, smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or gaming console. Now, once you're signed up, then you'll have to log in with your credentials. So the credentials you used to sign up, just go ahead and log in with those. And then you can go ahead and start streaming. So what I mean by this is that you can explore the app's content, including live sports, original shows, and on-demand content. Alright, so that is basically how to use it. Now, obviously, that's pretty simple. Just download the app, log in, and that's it. Now, let's look at the main thing, the features. So let me just write down the keynote here. This is how to use it, okay? This thing, okay? Now we're gonna explore the features. So, features. Perfect. So the first feature we have is live sports. So, wow, you can watch thousands of live sport events, including college football, college basketball, UFC, MLB, NFL, and many more. Then we have original content. Original content. So you can also enjoy exclusive shows and documentaries such as ESPN Films, ESPN Plus original series, and sports documentaries. Then we have on-demand content. On-demand content. So you can access a vast library of on-demand sports channel, including classic games, highlights, and analysis. Then we have the replay functionality, which is basically watching replays of live events at your convenience. Then we have personalized recommendations. Personalized recommendations. So get tailored recommendations based on your viewing history. So let's say if you're watching a lot of basketball, it's gonna give you stuff that is related to basketball. Then we have multiple streams. Multiple streams. So you can watch multiple games simultaneously on compatible devices. And lastly, which is probably the most useful feature, I think, in my opinion, is offline viewing. So you can download certain content and then you can watch it wherever you are. So let's say you're traveling or you're just on an airplane. You can just go ahead, open your device, open ESPN Plus, and watch the downloaded content that you have downloaded from your home. Alright, now let's look at the purpose of ESPN Plus. Now this is similar to features, but it does have some extra key points we're going to look at. The first one is to offer a wider range of sports. So I'm just going to write sports. So ESPN Plus expands the sports coverage beyond traditional cable television. Then we have providing exclusive content. Exclusive content. So the service offers original programming and live events that are not available on other platforms. And it also gives fans more control. So ESPN Plus allows users to watch sports on their preferred devices and at their own pace. And lastly, it helps foster a community of sport fans who can connect and discuss their favorite teams and leagues. So alright guys, that is it for the overview of ESPN Plus. I hope it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.